Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and this is a quick, not so much product review, just an informational short video. Um, as you may be aware, I'm making partworks. I'm doing the Digastini X-Wing and the Hachette Terminator. Now, the Terminator did come with a free subscriber gift of a screwdriver set, which is so very, very useful that I don't know where I've left it. It was rubbish. It came with like 3 or 4 screwdrivers in it, and none of them worked with any of the screws that you need to use to build the kit. I had no idea what they were thinking. So I have been using, again, the free screwdriver that comes with. I think this one came with either the R2D2, I think maybe. But it does the job. It's all right. But I thought it was time, as I'm going to be doing more part works that need screws and things going forward. So I had a little look through Amazon, and I found this, the Faireach screwdriver. It says precision screwdriver set. It's the Faireach upgraded 135 in 1 professional repair toolkit with case, magnetic screwdriver bit set for PC, computer, cell phone, tablet, iPhone, iPad, Mac, electronic, etc. So yes, it was inexpensive. It was less than £20. I think it was £17 something. And comes in a box like that. Let me get that out of the way. Now, the one thing it comes with that isn't a screwdriver is this. Apparently, mobile phone repair tools, a screw memory mat. I won't bother taking it out of the thing there, but basically, it's meant to be magnetic. And it is to a degree. Excuse me. Out of the plastic, it may be a little bit more magnetic, but basically it's designed so when you take the screws out of whatever it is you're repairing or building, you can put them on there, and in theory they won't roll away and go everywhere. It's an interesting addition, but not the reason that I bought the kit. The kit itself obviously contains 135 pieces, apparently. You've got the traditional, if you're not happy, then contact us before leaving bad reviews, which is fair enough. Instruction manual, which basically lists everything that's in it and tells you what things are for, although it doesn't tell you exactly what they are. Now, a lot of this is not going to be of any use to me in building part works and things, but the main and most interesting part is over there, the screwdriver body itself. Now, it's got the rotating end piece, so when you're holding it, you can put pressure on that and rotate without it screwing into the back of your hand. The tip is, I'll come to it in a minute, magnetic and hexagonal, so you can just drop the bits in easily. The one other feature that this does have, it's got a collar here that if you pull that back, it allows you to telescope out a degree. It actually comes all the way out, but that's obviously not much use. So the furthest that it locks in place is there, which makes it a fair sized screwdriver. Obviously for getting in behind through things, and yeah. So that's quite useful. The other add-on part it has is a flexible end piece for, again, for going around corners, which obviously can be used in collaboration with that to make it a very long screwdriver, if you should need such a thing. They give you a pair of tweezers, which is quite useful, but you know, anyway. The bit at the top there is a tool for putting your screwdriver bits into a electric drill, which is, again, moderately useful. Instead of using the whole big screwdriver thing, if you need to, you can use this. It just basically, I haven't figured out exactly how it works, but yes. I don't know. I thought that was in place of that, but it's actually got the outside end rather than the, but it's bigger. I don't know what that's for now then. Let me have a look in the instruction manual. It has, I don't know, doesn't help. One hook drive. I don't know what a hook drive is. Yeah, I don't know. Now, if you're doing mobile phone repairs, you've got the sucker to remove the screen. SIM card removal tools, not of any use to me. And these plastic, again, prying open screens and things, not of any use to me at the moment. But, you know, yeah. Now this is the other moderately useful, probably, tool. As I say, this is how they fit in. They just fit in magnetically. Now these are spanners, obviously for small nuts and bolts, different sizes. Not something I've seen in a screwdriver set before. So that's quite interesting and useful. I'll put that away because that doesn't do what I thought it did, but I don't know what that is now. Now, if you close that side down and turn it over, this is where the fun really happens. In this side, you have the majority of tools, most of which are probably never going to get used, let's be honest. You do have what I more normally see in place of spanners is the bolt, not closed spanner if you like, which is quite useful for when you can get to the end of it. Selection of other screwdrivers and tools and everything from very small crosshead screwdrivers up to and including actually they don't go very big. I mean that's the largest crosshead, which is a decent size, but it's obviously designed for small electronic stuff rather than fixing your fence and garden gates and stuff. All sorts of, you can actually see the descriptions on there better than I can from this angle. Say crosshead, star shape, flathead, bolts. Come on, you know where the focusing is. There you go. All sorts of the security star ones with the hole in the middle. I don't know what that's, crosshead at a different angle, but it's not. It's actually, again, like a security crosshead type thing. Yeah, triangular, which I've seen on some game console things. Yeah, anything you could possibly need, as well as, again, for the mobile phone repair, you've got the little plectrum things just for sticking in and levering up. Two other items in the pack here are a magnet, which is, again, quite useful. It fits in there with a magnet if you've drop something, or you know, to pick something out. That's actually quite a decent magnet for picking up screws or whatever. That works. And apparently a demagnetizer, or a magnetize and demagnetize. I don't know exactly how that works. You obviously would rub it along something you want to magnetize. So if I want to magnetize that, apparently doing that will magnetize it. Now this was very slightly magnetic anyway, but let's. There we go, that's now picking that screw up. And I think apparently you do the same with the other end, and that would demagnetize it. I'm not entirely certain how that should work, but we'll try it anyway. It has, there we go. That's now no longer magnetic. I'll remagnetize it again because it's more useful for me to do that. And there you go. Yeah, so that does work. So yes, I just thought I'd show you, say, my new purchase. So if you're after a small toolkit which would be useful for, say, electronic work, that sort of thing, then yes, it seems to be good. I've used it on a couple of sort of test pieces rather than, I haven't actually got any partworks needing screws at the moment, but I've tried it out on a couple of things and it seems to work very well. It's quite a thick little case. Obviously if they separated it into two cases, then you could have them both open at the same time, but you don't need to have them both open at the same time. You get out the bits you need and then you'd have the tools sitting there ready to go. So yes, if you like the look of that, then have a look. There are other varieties of them are available. Some of them have got, not the spanners for a pound less or something. But yeah, I just thought it'd be of interest for somebody to see what's available. So, thank you for watching. I hope you're doing well and surviving the current conditions. But stick around, there'll be more videos upcoming shortly of various different things. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.